Having a BlackVue protecting you while you're driving is great, but what if you could make your dashcam protect you at all time, even when you're away? That's what parking mode is all about. Hi, this is Jeremy from BlackVue, and today I'm going to explain to you everything you need to enable parking mode for your BlackVue dashcam. First of all, parking mode activates when you turn your car off but still have power going to the dashcam. That can be done in two ways, either with a parking mode kit or with a dedicated BlackVue battery. First of all, with a parking mode kit, like this parking mode kit, you can hardwire your BlackVue to your car's battery. In this case, this is the parking mode kit that we are selling on the BlackVue site, and you can see it comes with a set of few steps that adapt to most vehicles available in the world. You have a whole set of few steps of every type included in it. And you also have these easy to clip wires, so you can easily connect these wires to the few steps. So that's the most, let's say, economical way to connect your dashcam to your fuse box and enable parking mode. The second way is with this OBD2 cable. This is simple. It's probably the simplest way to install because you just connect to your OBD port in your car. You just need to make sure that your car manufacturer lets you use the OBD port, because in some very rare case, it might not be fully compatible. Now, the ultimate solution for parking mode is the BlackVue B130A, which is the ultra battery. We call it the BlackVue Ultra battery because it's a battery that can charge itself in about an hour and give you over like 20 hours of parking mode. Now, with this battery, the advantage of it is that it will charge itself when you're driving and then power your camera when your engine is off, so it won't ever drain your actual vehicle's battery. So there are two types of parking mode, mainly motion and time-lapse. In motion detection mode, what happens is your camera is just in standby, is not recording anything, but if any of the cameras, front or rear, detects any movement, it will record a 1-minute buffered parking mode file. Buffered means it will start 10 seconds, the video will start 10 seconds before the action occurs. Now, in time-lapse, the dashcam keeps recording at 1 frame per second, so it gives you an actual time-lapse, so you can go back and see what happened over a long period of time in a really short time. Now, in both modes, both support the buffered parking mode event. That means if an impact is detected by the G sensor of the camera, it will also record a buffered event, which starts 10 seconds or between 5 and 10 seconds, depending on the model, before the actual impact occurs. So when you go back and review the footage, you will see what led to that impact. And that means you will have actual proof that you can use with your insurance to expedite your insurance claims. Every single BlackVue on the market supports parking mode. As for the actual options of parking mode available for each model, please refer to the spec sheet of the dashcam you're looking to buy.